How to delete everything from an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset any Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the settings on our Android phone. And we could do that by swiping up from the bottom and then just scrolling down until you get to the S's and select settings. Once you get into the settings, scroll down a little bit until you get to system, select system. And then in system, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see reset options. From there, all you need to do is select erase all data, factory reset, select that. It's then going to give you a quick preview of what that means. So it's going to delete everything from the internal storage of your phone. So it's going to remove your Google account. It's going to delete all your files and reset all the settings. So go ahead and select erase all data, then just confirm erase all data one more time. It's going to reboot your Android phone. And during this process, it's going to perform a factory reset. It may reboot several times. Just give it some time to go through the process. And then it will come up with the Google logo. And then once it's done, you'll see it come up with this screen right here. All we need to do is select the little arrow, and then we can choose our language. We now need to go through the process of setting it up. You can use a different device to set it up, maybe another Android phone, even an iPhone. But if you don't want to, you can select skip, and then you could set up the Wi-Fi network for this phone, and then go through the process of logging in to your Google account. And then after you go through the process of setting up your Android phone, then you can start using it. And that's how you delete everything on an Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.